Higher soul, we on the go. Yeah, hey, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy. You ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy. Yeah, yeah. We was in the trenches, now look how we are.
How many?
6, 7, 6.5.
In the fall. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shop and now we open up a store. Yeah, keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stolen. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet. Fly out to New Orleans, won't be back until the morning. Money was a shortage, we was feeling corny. All I really wanted was help grandma pay the mortgage. Loading up the vault till we had to pay for storage. Knew the work we put in would pay off and be rewarded. Yeah, yeah, and now we on it.
Back or what? तो जस्ट अभी मुझे विराग बोल रहा था that he is not feeling his back that much, and I'll just give you guys one tip because back को मतलब it's a common thing to not feel back, especially with beginners. So whenever you're doing any like rowing or lat pull down या जो भी, imagine कि your arm ends at your elbow and जो भी तुम्हारा I don't know what it's called forearm that's like a hook that attaches your arm to this thing. फिर अगर तुम उस mindset के साथ if you pull you're gonna feel it more in your back. Another thing, थोड़ा सा reduce the weight because it's very easy to use your other muscle like biceps and shit.
05, had to cut my old ones off. Too much soul ties, takes that time heals. We gon' see when it go by. Shampoo the bed, then I hit it with the blow dry. When I come back, I'm like MJ with the 4-5. Conscious in the cut, yeah you know that's the bro God. If they go low, thumbs up, we gon' go high. Yeah, it's up, then it's stuck. Can't block my goals, cause I don't give a fuck.
There's something wrong. The way I'm holding it.
That's what she said.
Tell now, bro.
अरे there's nothing. Okay, तो विराग के convincing की वजह से I've put 15 on each side. I've never done it. Let's see. Tell me if my form.
Tell you also?
Form is clean.
Fuck.
That's what she said. Very bad.
Yeah, I know. It's good only, bro. You can do it.
अभी थोड़ा तो हिल.
Sorry. I got lost in looking at this side. Bro, I dare you. Go connect and play them like Arijit Singh or something.
No way.
Oh, that'll be
It's
too
disrespectful.
funny. That'll be so funny, bro. It's a dare, bro, for the YouTube.
It's too bad.
संभल जा Bro, it'll be funny, na?
Few days later.
What's up guys? Hope you all are vibing. तो अभी जो आपने वर्कआउट फुटेज देखा that is from like I think 5-6 days ago जब विराग मेरे घर पे आया था. From my last vlog I had said ना कि 3-4 days वो रुक रहा है. So that was one of the last part of those days. उसके बाद I felt sick. उसके बाद I think 2-3 दिन के बाद I felt sick. उसके बाद मैं जिम गया ही नहीं हूँ. In the last 3-4 days 5 days मैं जिम नहीं गया. My appetite's been really bad. In fact कल सिर्फ 2 सादा डोसा खाए थे entire day. And yeah, now right now I'm feeling a little better. आज के morning में also I wasn't that good. But anyways, enough of all that. Right now I have a very special guest with me. Guys, this is आप लोग ने इसको साकेत.
You might have seen me on Saket's channel.
Yes.
You might have seen me on Saket's channel.
Yeah, this is Anshul. This is one of our first subscribers.
OG subscribers.
First OG subscribers. I remember like around 2 साल पहले. Also sorry for my voice, guys. 2 साल पहले या क्या?
दो साल से कोविड है.
3 साल पहले I was at Saket's place and उन दिनों any comment by someone who we didn't know, जो भी ऐसे mutual friends रहते हैं ना, anything if we saw on our socials, any other name, हम लोग काफ़ी shocked हो जाते थे. So that time this guy had commented and that time हम लोग मतलब Lex और Dave और वो सब, yeah, so that time this guy commented on Saket's video कि सब he compared him to Lex basically.
Yeah.
And I remember that.
doing at the time?
हाँ.
What was he doing at the time?
He was taking a shit. और मैं ऐसे लेटा हुआ था और वो बाथरूम से चिल्लाया
Yeah,
bro.
he just came out running कि okay, someone come at
Yeah.
me to.
He didn't come out running. He अंदर से he shouted.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, someone come
Yeah,
and
yeah,
get me. And then we both started shitting our pants. But anyways, that's the story. मैं आज अंशुल के साथ ट्रेन नहीं कर पाया. आज मतलब
Yeah,
in this
bro.
trip हम लोग
Because
साथ.
he's sick. And
हाँ.
next time he comes, next time I come here.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, bro, please.
Cars train करेंगे bro.
Fuck off, bro. Out. Out. भागेंगे ना उसमें हो जाता है carbs. मैंने और अंशुल ने शॉर्मा मंगाए थे 3. This is the second one.
इसका मत दिखा bro. This is my second one. He had just क्योंकि इसका appetite कम हो गया because he's sick.
Appetite तो वैसे भी कम ही है. Anyways, हम ईरानी कैफे भी गए थे. And I didn't vlog all that क्योंकि तब
I
मेरा.
need to tell a joke. What is the most bored person in this room?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Switch.
Yeah, why?
क्योंकि it is switchboard.
Yeah. That was a good one. That was genuinely a good one.
It was your joke bro.
Yeah. हाँ तो
I use it
मैं
somewhere.
खुद को ही appreciate कर रहा हूँ. Okay, तो we have a package to unbox from Muscle Blaze.
बीमार है किसे हो भी नहीं हो रहा है.
Muscle Blaze का Muscle Blaze का Biozyme Collagen Whey. Which flavor is this? Gourmet chocolate flavor. Gourmet chocolate. Pretty excited to try this. Even Anshul will try it. तो वैसे भी वे पानी में लेता हूँ. ये इसको chilled milk में चाहिए.
Chilled milk.
You know, I used to love having it in milk before. I couldn't tolerate water. Suddenly, I don't know, something happened, bro. उसके बाद I don't know, I started realizing कि milk में it makes you really full.
Yeah.
और मेरा appetite वैसे भी टट्टी है तो.
So have it with milk ना क्योंकि.
That's what she did.
फ्लेवर मैंने सिर्फ अब तक चॉकलेट पिया हुआ है.
It's a new launch.
Oh.
Bro. So guys, this is Muscle Blaze's new launch. Muscle Blaze का Biozyme Collagen Whey. First serving में यानी कि एक स्कूप में है 25 grams of whey concentrate and 5 grams of protein from type 1 collagen. Collagen हमारी bones and connective tissue का एक बहुत ही important part होता है and it overall helps us in just feeling good, strength, flexibility, training, etc. And usually athletes इससे अलग से supplement करते हैं to help with their training and recovery. But a very big advantage of this supplement is कि इसमें आपको 2 supplements is basically like a 2-in-1. आपको दोनों collagen and protein एक ही supplement में मिल रहा है, which makes it very cost effective. पानी डालता हूँ. I'm still not used to the pure milk वाला concept. अभी मेरे को बहुत thick लग रहा है. I'm finding it really thick, but damn tasty. थोड़ा सा पानी मिक्स करूँगा. Way better, way better.
Way better bro. The pun.
Way better. Way better. And also, as always, no lumps, great mixability, जो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही important factor है. जैसे भी एक lump आ जाता है ना, my full mood goes away. Anyway, इसे ऑर्डर करने के लिए go to the description, click the first link और वो आपको Muscle Blaze के वेबसाइट पे लेके जाएगा. Bye. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Meet soon
Get
again.
well soon.
Yeah, for sure. Bro, soon again.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye bye.
The next day right now, Anshul वापस मुंबई चला गया. छोटा सा update on how I'm feeling. Not that good yet, but way better. मुझे कल लगा था that I'll be able to train today, but I don't think I can. Like I'm feeling good, लेकिन you know when I walk और जब मैं कुछ ऐसा थोड़ा सा भी एक्टिविटी करता हूँ, I do feel a little bit dizzy. I think 1-2 और दिन लगेंगे for my complete recovery. यहाँ पे I have chai. Nowadays I've been having too much chai because sickness, you know, staying in one room. By the way, I have hijacked my parents' room क्योंकि अभी मेरे parents बाहर गए हैं abroad. There's no particular like strong reason for this. Actually there is, लेकिन बहुत ही ऐसा छोटा सा reason है. I don't know if you guys will understand. I'll just say it. In 2015 I think winters में मेरे parents abroad गए थे and that time दूसरा घर था और उस घर में उनका कमरा was like 10 times colder than mine. I don't know why. So मैं इसलिए उनके कमरे में चला गया and then मेरे दिमाग में कहीं very small part of it has that thing कि winters में different room. I don't know man. It's a very might sound very stupid but no hate against Amul. I love Amul cheese. लेकिन थोड़ा सा realistic expression use कर सकते थे. I feel like I mean no one asked me but still yeah, just my opinion. Yeah, like come on. हाँ okay तो अभी I'm making grilled egg bacon cheese sandwich. यहाँ पे have my sunny side up जो मैंने ऐसे तोड़ दिया. Usually I don't break the yolk because I like the liquid but anyways वो griller में जाएगा so इट्स बेटर टू ब्रेक इट. वहाँ पे चिकन बेकन फ्रॉम वेंकीज, चीज़. यूजुअली मैं स्लाइस डालता हूँ, बट स्लाइसेस होगा तो क्यूब से बनाऊँगा. Okay, sandwich is ready. Damn, look at that. Can't wait. बहुत गर्म है. Whenever I fall sick now, my guitar time skyrockets. क्योंकि luckily guitar is one of those rare things जो हम मतलब बीमार रह के भी like I can do it. I'm so glad कि I played it and I highly recommend to I think all of you, no exception. हाँ ठीक है, maybe if you've never heard music, never been interested in music, you're an exception. But otherwise, please pick up an instrument. कोई भी instrument लो and just start learning it. It's very meditative. I'm really glad कि मैंने ये सीखा. Actually, in the beginning, I really didn't want to learn it. मेरी mom ने मुझे force किया. Like she literally forced me. कुछ तो ऐसे punishment type का ही था. But हाँ, it was like some sort of a punishment. I don't remember for what. लेकिन something I had fucked up somewhere and then my mom had said कि अगर ये किया तो फिर गिटार बनाना पड़ेगा. Because मैं बहुत सालों से ऐसे मना कर रहा था. And then I did fuck up somewhere. My mom had got a tutor for me. I remember बहुत पहले. उसके बाद 2-3 महीने के बाद I just stopped. And around 1 साल बाद लॉकडाउन में I picked it up again. Yeah. I don't know मैं rant पे क्यों गया, but anyways, point is I recommend all of you to pick up one instrument. Recently मैंने खुद से like last 3 या 4 दिन से मैंने Love Yourself by Justin Bieber, I was arranging that. I don't know, that song gives me a very wintry feel, so that's why I started arranging that and it's done. अगले वीडियो में I'll play that. Right now अभी तुम लोग सुनो something I've already posted on Instagram, photograph by Ed Sheeran, जो मेरा खुद का अरेंजमेंट नहीं है. फॉर द फर्स्ट वर्स, प्री कोरस कोरस ऑनवर्ड्स मैंने कंटिन्यू किया उसको खुद से, विच मेक्स मी रियली हैप्पी एंड या एन्जॉय इट. मैंने ऑलरेडी ये इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट किया है, बट आई जस्ट पुट इट हियर ऑल्सो फॉर यू गाइज. एंड या इसी के साथ आज का वीडियो खत्म होता है. होप यू गाइज एन्जॉय इट. अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक करना, नहीं पसंद आया डिसलाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो कर लो एंड आई विल मीट यू गाइज नेक्स्ट टाइम.